Election 2015, parties focus on health and women. Scottish parties have focused on women, the NHS and taxes as election campaigning continues. The Scottish Labour Party has targeted the female vote with the launch of its manifesto for women in Glasgow. In Edinburgh, the SNP challenged Labour to match their NHS spending plans, with health budgets also a key issue for the Scottish Conservatives. And the Scottish Liberal Democrats said their plans to fight tax evasion would allow them to boost NHS funding. Margaret Curran, Yvette and Kezia Dugdale launched Scottish Labour's Women's Manifesto, pledging to stop cuts to tax credits. Ms. Curran warned the SNP's plans for full fiscal autonomy could see the benefit cut by £806, which she said would affect women and families. She said, "Tax credits protect people on low incomes and they lift people out of poverty. They are one of the last Labour government's greatest legacies. Labour will protect tax credits, with increases every year in line with inflation, supporting hard-working families." The Women's Manifesto also includes guaranteeing a pay job for every 18 to 24-year-old woman out of work for more than a year, using devolved powers to introduce a 50% quota for women on public boards, forcing companies with more than 250 employees to report their pay gap. Meanwhile, Nicola Sturgeon challenged the Labour Party to match the SNP's commitment to increase the NHS budget across the UK by £9.5 billion above inflation. She said, "Our NHS is our most important public resource and the SNP will do everything we can to ensure that it is properly funded and protected as a public service. That's why we've been clear that we will vote to boost NHS funding by £9.5 billion across the UK, delivering a total increase for Scotland's NHS of £2 billion. The SNP's plans for modest public spending increases would give our NHS staff the support they need and ensure our health service continues